Hi, Crafty Angels. Lisa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here to catch up, trust me, catch up in my December daily. Now, this was originally a true junk journal that I did with Mrs. Gigi on her channel and on my channel. So, um, since my surgery, I haven't done anything in here. So I've been spending most of my time making things to put in here. So let's get this show on the road. Now I have my journal and here's what I've been making. Let me release the sides. I have been making uh, pieces for the side of the pages. I've made side pockets and all sorts of things in here. So we're going to get to gluing this stuff in. I'm going to do 2 days at a time so I can catch up faster. Um, I'm going to try. So let me get to my glue. Oop, that's paint. That's not glue. So I got my art glitter glue. I got my December daily. And I got all my stuff that I want to put in. So on this page here on day 4, I'm going to put this. This is vinyl. And I sewed it onto what was supposed to be my ruffles. But my sewing machine didn't want to take to doing the ruffles. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to put some glue on here. Actually, I'm going to put it on the page. So that way I know how far I have to go. And then again on here. And we're going to stick it on. Like so. I'm going to let that dry. But, ouch. I just stuck myself. But what I'm going to do is put my little quilt clips here. Now I have a little container full of them. And of course, I know every time it comes to videoing, things disappear on you. So I'm going to grab this one here until I can find my little bucket of them. And you also need your scissors so you can trim down the excess, but save this piece because you can still use it. Okay, now I want to, this is side pockets. Maybe put this, no, not that one. A clear pocket. And this is too long, so I have to find a shorter one. Nope, not gonna happen. This one's even too long. Eh. So we're gonna use this as our pocket here. I'm gonna put this over here so I don't stick myself. And I want to do only 3 sides here. Okay. And then stick it on here. Hold it for a couple. And then we're going to go over to the next page, which I have a tag over here already. But I want to put a little something here. What can I put there? Can I put... No, that's for the side of the page. So, we're going to skip that part for now. And then we have here, we have a little letter from Santa. Now, the printables that I've used in here is from like 4 different designers. I have MAC Jewelry, I have Tsunami Rose, I have Paulette Slater, some from Mrs. Gigi, some from y'all, the Cara Brandon. I mean, it came from everywhere. So, yeah. I got book pages, magazine pages, you name it is in here. I also have stuff from Dollar Tree, stuff from printable from Tsunami Rose, Decorate Your Life. This is Decorate Your Life. Let me see. I don't remember what is what. Some of it I do, like back here's Decorate Your Life. The numbers you're gonna see is Mrs. Gigi. I have a little doily here with a butterfly. This is the back here. I don't remember. I forgot to write on the back. Oh, this is all Paulette Slater. So, and this is, I think this is Tsunami Rose. And then I have some other stuff. I have some collages that I made and things like that. So we'll see how this goes in here. So we have our pocket, and I'm not going to put anything in the pocket just yet. So I want to keep moving on. Let me see what I can find to put over here. I know I had a, oh look, we can make a tuck spot going that way. Yes, we're going to put glue on this side and on this side and make a little tuck spot right here. Okay, then we're going to move on to this one. I don't want to do nothing. We're going to move on to this one here, and I am going to take a book page strip that I did, and I sewed it again to regular printer paper, and we're going to glue this on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue a little at a time, because watch what I'm going to do. I have it glued up to right here. So then I'm going to start, and I'm just going to glue right down here. Leave it like a little belly band over here. I can stick something in there. And I'm going to trim this off. I'm going to save this. And let me see. Can we do, let me see. We have these two ephemeras where we can journal on the back. Now this is Paulette Slater. This is Carol Brendan. I think this is Paulette Slater. And I don't remember the other ones. I will look up everything. And I'm going to let y'all know. Okay, now let's go back. Maybe put a belly band going across instead of the side. So I'm going to seal this over here on the side. I'm going to put a belly band going across. Okay, so I'm going to take this one and tuck it underneath here and just glue down there. And we have our belly band. Okay, just glue the end here and we have a little belly band. Like so. Okay. Now, I want to see, because this is for journaling. Here, we can maybe put a clear pocket. No, it's too big. I'll save this for another journal. These are too big. Maybe this one. This one's a perfect fit. So we're gonna go up this way, this side, and this side, and do that. And we're gonna pocket here, and we have a pocket up at the top, and we have another pocket there. So this is 3 pockets in one. And day 4 and 5 is complete. But I want to do something here. What can I put here? Nah, a little piece of ribbon. Nope. I'll just save it for later. Okay, so day 4 and 5 are done. I want to add something here. Let me see. Nothing on the side there. We got the side here. And over here I have nothing either. Okay, so we're going to put something right here. And it's going to be some red ribbon on white printer paper. So we're going to glue this. And this is going to make the end of day 3 and 4. Like so. You flatten it out. And you got day 4 and 3 and 4 complete. So I'm just going to let all this dry. Where did I put my little tub of clips? It always happens. Every time you come live, everything, you cannot find anything. That's all right. It'll stay put. Here's a clip. We can put one on this side, right here. And I know I have another one somewhere, but where is the question? Okay, I give up. So I'm going to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a live, or when I do a premiere. So, please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.